What's up, guys? Up, down, turn around, back at you for another video today. Part 2, we are doing another video for 2018 Topps Chrome update. Got two blaster boxes here, again from Target.com. So we're going to bust right into them. Try to make this quick. You get 7 packs per box, 4 cards per pack, so 28 cards, and hopefully we'll get something nice. So we got Francisco Lindor, Gary Sanchez, International Affair, Gleyber, and Gerrit Cole. We got Joey Votto, Trevor Story, Dylan Cozens, and Todd Frazier. We got Stephen Piscotty, Ichiro. We got a International Affair Carlos Correa and Marcell Ozuna. We got a Shohei Ohtani rookie debut, Ozzie Albies, Andrew McCutchen, and Rafael Devers. So as you can see, the rookie class, the product's pretty good. You get all your update rookies, so it's pretty nice. Scott Kingery, rookie. International Affair, Aaron Judge. That's funny that it's International Affair and it's United States. Isaiah Kiner Falefa and Chris Stratton. 2 packs left in this box. We got a Gleyber Torres, Tyler Beede, Walker Buehler, and Clint Frazier. And last pack. We got Shane Bieber, Mookie Betts All-Star Game, Javier Baez International Affair, and Nick Kingham rookie. So that was box 1 there. Got another box. Let's bust it. As I stated last time, your odds of pulling refractors and autographs are more difficult this year than in years past. We've got Matt Kemp All-Star Game, Ronald Acuna Jr., Venezuela. We got Felipe Vasquez and Mike Trout All-Star Game. Francisco Lindor, All-Star Game, Joey Votto, All-Star Game, Gleyber Torres, Rookie All-Star Game, and Gerrit Cole. 100-card base set, so you are definitely going to run into doubles. It'll happen. Trevor Story All-Star Game, Stephen Piscotty. We got a Mike Trout International Affair, again, United States, and Dylan Cozens. We got something in here, so we will slide that. Todd Frazier. We got Marcell Ozuna. We got Ichiro. And we got a Walker Buehler autograph. Sweet. That's a sick pull. Walker Buehler rookie autograph. It is not numbered. That's a nice one. Autographs fall about 1 in 49 packs or 1 in 7 boxes. We got a Shohei Ohtani rookie debut. Yoenis Cespedes from Cuba. Andrew McCutchen, and Rafael Devers. So as you can see, a lot of the same base cards. I know a lot of people get very pissy with Topps about that. It happens, you know. Ozzie Albies rookie card, Scott Kingery rookie card, Kiner Falefa rookie, and Stratton rookie. So as you can see, a lot of the same packs. I don't have a problem with that. It happens. It's luck of the draw. But, I mean, I don't know. Some people get madder than others. Oh well. That's the way I look at it. Last pack. We got a Gleyber rookie. Ooh, Tyler Beede. And nice. Shohei Ohtani International Affair to end it on. And a Bueller base rookie. So, got a nice stack of cards. They get some doubles in there. Like I said, 100 card base set. It's going to happen. But at least with the rookie class, you're going to get some nice rookie cards. We got a stack of International Affairs. We got Ohtani. We got about 8 of those. You get about 3 or 4 of those a box or every 2 packs. And the sweetest pull being this Walker Buehler rookie autograph. I've seen the rookie autograph names out of here, and a lot of them haven't impressed me, but that is a pretty good one to pull, and I'm very happy with that. So thanks a lot for watching, guys. Hope you stay tuned for more videos, and hope you have good luck on this if you go out and buy yourself some. Take care, guys. Catch you next time.